Welcome back, guys, and in this lesson I would like to show you an example why AstroJS is content focused and what does that actually mean, because you always hear that AstroJS is very fast, it's content focused, but what is a practical example, right? So let me show you. So I have this very simple AstroJS website right here. As you can see, we have a counter, a React component that we have imported, and right here you have some styling, but that's not important right now. Let's check the counter. So if I go to the page, you will see that this is how it looks like, and if I click the button, nothing happens. So why is that? By default, it will not work because Astro is content focused, so it strips down all the activity. It just gives you the button. Now let me show you. If I go back and right here where we find our counter, if we say client load like so, and then we save it. Now let's check the counter, and as you can see, this works perfectly fine now. And why is that? Because now AstroJS has made this box interactive, so it gave you an island of creativity, and that's why it is called Astro Islands. And that is also the reason why it is always called content focused, because by default it just gives you the content, and if you need the interactivity later on, you can add it. And even if you take other static site generators like Jekyll or Next.js, Astro wins simply by being content focused, because for instance a Jekyll is not really modern, so you cannot use React, for example, right? And with Next.js you simply get too much JS, but Astro gives you modern code and is zero JavaScript by default, and that's why it's the perfect static site generator. So I hope this example was a good one. It helped me to understand finally why it's called Astro Islands, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.